Hello there. Today's topic is how to fix internal server error in WordPress. The internal server error in WordPress might be originated due to a corrupt htaccess file or a plugin issue, most probably a plugin conflict or the server-side issues. It is easy to fix and let's do it. First, you need to log into your server control panel or cPanel, and when you log into your control panel, you will find something like File Manager. Click on it and then click Public HTML. And here you see this is the htaccess file. So I will rename it. Right click on it, click rename, and rename like old. And if you refresh your website, if you find that your site is up and running again, then log into your WordPress admin panel and under settings click permalink, and here select post name. I like it because it is the most SEO optimized URL and it looks good. Okay, so click save changes. If you back to your file manager and refresh, you see a new htaccess file was created. Okay, and you can safely now delete this one. Anyway, if you did not fix your website, then it might be a plugin issue. So again, under public HTML, click WP content, and here you will find plugins. So rename this entire folder to old. And if you refresh your website and you find that your website is up and running, that means one of the plugin is causing the issue. So it's time to find which plugin is causing the issue. So at this point, again come back to File Manager and rename it to back to the plugins again. Now log into your WordPress admin panel, and under appearance click plugins. There you need to activate the plugin one by one and find out the culprit plugin that is causing the issue. When you find that specific plugin, you just need to deactivate that plugin or delete that plugin from your file manager, and you need to replace that plugin with a different plugin that has the same functionality and that does not create the same issues, or reach out the plugin developer and ask help. And anyway, this plugin rename folder did not work for you, then it might be a hosting issues. Okay, and for that you need to log in back to your control panel and find edit PHP ini. Okay, for some hosting they might not provide you access to this file, so you need to ask them to increase your PHP memory limit. Okay, for me it is easy, so I will just click edit and PHP ini. And here you see it is 256, that is the maximum memory limit that I can use for my website. But for you, most probably it is 32 or 64. So ask your hosting provider or update your PHP ini settings to 256. Okay, that is the maximum number that can be allowed for a WordPress website. Okay, and then you will find maximum execution time. By default it is 30, so just make it 60. I already did that, so at this point I just need to click update changes. Okay, so it should fix your website. Okay, and finally hire a WordPress maintenance service. Many of those issues can be avoided by handing the updates and edits over to a WordPress expert like the team of Rapid Website Design. Our number one goal is to prevent errors like this from happening in the first place. Here at Rapid Website Design, for a yearly few $100, you can get a high performance hosting, unlimited edits, and we deal with the errors that may arise and resolve them faster when needed. And the important thing is with no extra cost to you. Okay? Also, we take backups of your entire site and restore the site if needed. So you always have a peace in your mind that your online presence is up to date and running. Thanks for watching, and if this video solved your problem, please let us know by leaving a comment, liking this video and subscribing to this channel.